Okay, so the next part we will go to test. And it's going to ask us about calibrating. We just calibrated, so we don't need to do that. We just click on next. Now it's going to ask for subject data. So you would enter in your subject information, and over here in height you need to select your units, whether it's inches or in centimeters. And then ethnicity, unfortunately we only have 2, so populations that we can select from. So we're going to retrieve the subject data. I am going to pull up data, and I'm going to select Brian's, and we're going to say next. And here it's going to select using the Siri, but I will tell you that later on in the body composition section in the chapter in your textbook, we will actually pull, once we see the body density, we will actually use the formulas that ACSM has put together. The Siri and the Brozac formulas were the first 2 formulas developed. Those are obsolete in that in the late 80s, 32 countries came together and measured different body densities so that we could have a better representation of the actual human body. The first models were based on 4 cadavers, which cannot be considered normal. So if we come down here to where it says thoracic gas volume, we're going to use predicted. You can actually measure that if you'd like, and you would use a face mask and measure their air that they're going to displace. We're going to use predicted. It's a very small impact on the results. It's like 0.1 when it comes to data differences. So we can go ahead and use predicted. And then we're going to click next. And then it's going to walk you through a series of opening the door. We're going to have to calibrate one last time. So you just follow along with how to open up or to follow the instructions that are provided on the monitor, and it walks you straight through the process.